The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
iDiski TV powered by World Sports Betting idiskitimes.co.za. Mhlawumbe uyazibuza ukuthi why abantu besmile kangaka namhlanje iDiski TV kudlala iUEFA Champions League sifocusing ngapha ya but at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium Kaizer Chiefs isibethele iMagesi ngamanqaka amane kwelinye. Kaizer Chiefs winning their fifth straight Betway Premiership game for the first time this season, collecting 15 points. Wow, that's Kaizer Chiefs. They're coming for that first position, they're coming for that second position. They're just 10 points behind Orlando Pirates, right?
And 11 points behind.
11 points behind Mamelodi Sundowns. They still need to play Orlando Pirates next week. Sunday next week, they're playing Orlando Pirates. Then, that following week, Mamelodi Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs, Mabejongi log position. They might see themselves playing a CAF Champions League next season. And this is no joke. That's strong log. Realistically, or mathematically, Kaizer Chiefs can play CAF Champions League next season. Bobzin, Manduk Bulis on right?
Shane right mnganami. Itungibulisa amadoda le studio Shane. Yeah.
Bobzin, besibukele Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje. Sekuthetha nge-UEFA Champions League or whatever. Kaizer Chiefs idlala an important game namhlanje basePolokwane. I don't think bazawuphindela eJoburg because badlala again on Saturday, right? Against Polokwane City. Mhlawumbe bazahlala pha okanye bazabuya, we don't know. But iKaizer Chiefs basePolokwane and they are collecting points. Usilva is in a goal scoring form, and also Ushabalala is on a goal scoring form. He's been scoring goals for iKaizer Chiefs. It seems like iKaizer Chiefs this season this past couple of games they are scoring goals. But complaining at the beginning of the season they're not scoring enough. They were scoring one goal at some point. Maybe they're scoring one goal a game, but now they are scoring 3. They are scoring 4. But betilima case namhlanje. Masingene emdlalweni mhlaba.
Yeah, mnganami ngiyakuzwa uthi singanaki into eziningi. Sifocusela Kaizer Chiefs and Magesi, but kunento engifuna ukuyicacisa mnganami ukuthi le jersey oligqokile linomsebenzi omkhulu kumele luwenze. Arsenal must beat Man City Sunday if bafuna ukusibona abalifta le league title. If bangeke bayibhithe kuzoba nzima because kuyoba ne 3 points different plus 1 game in hand ku Man City. So lokho bese kubalekele because uhlala uligqoka le jersey and wangitshela kusela ama game I think more than 10 wathi wena hayi lena kanjani lesiwa nayo, but okay asiphume mngani wami kunzima for wena because ungababamba labo number 2 bonke buthu. So yeah, mngani wami ithi singene kule game eKaizer Chiefs. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs Shane. Ithi ngibabongele Shane. I think Kaizer Chiefs into edingayo manje ama 3 points Shane.
Yeah.
Into edingayo. Obvious kuzoba khona la khona mhlawumbe sibona ngathi ayidlali kahle the way mhlawumbe sicanga ukuthi imeli idlale ngakhona, but to score 4 goals Shane ukuthi bodlala nobani sinokubona boMagesi banokunikeza Pirates and Sundowns I problem. Sometimes badlala first half without scoring lawo ma team against the Magesi. But for Kaizer Chiefs ngiyacabanga ukuthi they deserve their win Shane. The first 20 minutes 25 minutes bekubonakala ngathi cishe bafuna kudlala ngokufana, kungabi nalawo ma creativity, kungabonakali nokuthi mhlawumbe kungaba ne team engascora anytime soon. But after Kaizer Chiefs ithola la goal, I think baqalile ukuyicontrola leya game because mawungabheka iMagesi be more defensive Shane unlike going forward. So Kaizer Chiefs ngiyacabanga ukuthi enye into enze ukuthi kube lula for bona uma ungabheka the way badlale ngakhona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kufike laba abakhona no plan B. Bheka lela goal la ka Silva. Igoal cishe likora ngenye team ecede ukudlala iCAF Champions League kuEsperanza. Shane uthatha ibhola ulimikisa wide. Uma lifika wide ulilepha uthatha ibhola ulethe boxini. You understand? So lento leyo uyayibona ukuthi kune combination kulela goal. Ulilepha uma lilethe boxini. Ngithanda the way uSilva acalm down ngakhona. Bheka ukuthi enza amathashisa ungaki. Yes, someone can say no, le defense yeBaroka ilele baningi eboxini but abampraise uSilva. So we must give credit kumdlalo ofana noSilva. Good Silva, how many goals obabonayo la mdlali okokuqala bheka control le bola. Maceda 10 good finisher kuSilva. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi into enhle ayenzile uDa Silva as a striker Shane asidingi into eziningi sinikeza amagoli
Yeah.
even you score one ngegame e1 it's fine because umsebenzi wakho as a striker ukuthi uscore so congratulations to lamajita the way ngibone badlala ngakhona ukuthi babe no plan B because I combination yokuthi bangafika bafuna ukwenza ama combination nabomdu as a number 10 bakwazi ukuthi bathole lawo ma passes final third bakhona no bengekho kube lula for bona because emagesi njengoba ngisho ngithi beyidlala defensive most of the time mangathi uyabheka bebathi uma bafuna ukudropa kuba i4-5-1 but babuya bathi 5-4-1 bashiya uSibanyoni up front so ngicabanga ukuthi for me Kaizer Chiefs nalela bhola le set piece poor defending ku Chipezeze lela bhola uyalifista shame akunasidingo sokuthi ulibambe nakhona uma ufuna ukulibamba I don't know bengekho lapha but uyashout so that it defend ikunikeze leyo chance ukuthi uzibambele leyo bhola kunokuthi nigcina nenza ama mistake wena ne defense yakho so good positioning for uTuba good finisher lifike la lenda akathatha isikhathi thatha ibhola ulifake netini so ngiyacabanga ukuthi abuchipezeze lama mistake afana nalawa even ne goal number I think it's goal number 3 if I'm not mistaken ungabheka unema mistake abawenzayo labo goalkeeper because lela bhola I think it's goal number la Mayo goal number 4 lifikela lenda khona la 6 area box whereby mhlambe bekangaphuma ke I'll feast
as a goalkeeper mina ngihlala ndicho ebomzini ukuthi igoal it's 6 yard area I don't care what is happening you own that position
exactly so I'm not saying for uFrost la kuletha lela cross akusinto enhle for uMayo to score la khona it was not a free header bekamakhiwe but uMayo he managed to score lela goal so let's give credit Shane ngibona ne technical team ye Chiefs I think nama sub wabo awasebenzele kakhulu because uma ungathi uyabheka Shane ukukhipha uMonyane they bring in uFrostla uletha ama assist awu2 ngiyacabanga ukuthi bebaleka lento obunye bangazibuza ukuthi why badonsa uMonyane bekunganamsebenzi ukudefender because emagesi idlala ngosibanyoni up front then I think need more goals that is why they bring in uFroster so that ayenze lama box entries akwazi ukutholakala le ku final third eboxini lani lemagesi and he did very well mawungambheka lo yamdlali because assiste amabhola awu2 so ngicabanga ukuthi ibench belibhekile le game ukuthi okay akunabungozi for ukuthi singafuna kuhlala la emuva let's give amajita I chance ukuthi bakhuphuke because ungabheka uCross naye ngomunye umdlalo odlala kahle kulamalanga akafuni ukuthi asicommit kakhulu going forward basebenzisa la side la kaMonyane so ngiyacabanga ukuthi badlale kahle Shane badlali beKaizer Chiefs noma baletha lawo masub ubheka uMayo ubuyile eze sub wascora so into enhle Shane nokuletha uChislet bese bazama ukumanage le game because beka ukuthi baletha ubani kuno Chislet kunoMabuye kunomdlali no the guy odlala ku midfield nithubani lo bamlethenga isapha uNdlovu maphuma kube sekunoMabuye then kuba no Chislet sekuba nale letsotsi le man esibona ngikhohla lentwana I think ucele good baletha noCele so that bese kwi game management now ukuthi okay let's play now uma ngabe siyophuma ngama winger siphume ngama winger because umdlali bengibona ngathi bebangamletha bamdrope lo uLilepo beyangasekho second half ngaleyo ndlela ku Kaizer Chiefs ngiyacabanga ukuthi umhluphe kakhulu lo yamdlala umfukeng what a player that center right edlala ku Magesi ngiyacabanga wenze kahle kakhulu lo score la goal Shane umdlali ngicabanga ukuthi bekenza kahle kakhulu kuleya defense because most of the time beka cover lela side la right uma ngabe babitha I right back yakhe bekuumuntu ayocover ongacama ukuthi udlala I right back but udlala as a center right nomkoni so badlala bafana nalaba ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele sibanikeze kule game ababuya kuyo nesikhukhune I man of the match lo yamdlali kuona ukuthi wenza kahle leya center back yellow yemagesi going forward ubheke noSibanyoni beka wina wonke ama jewels bekungala khona yabona uMiguel unama mistake amaningi kakhulu if bangathola abadlali abahlanganiphile it's just that umjito ufana noMatima beyangakwazi ukuassista uSibanyoni up front that is why bekuba late onke amabhola uSibanyoni kumele awafightele always ama aerial ball kumele afight and uyawina lama aerial ball but second ball akunamuntu ozomassista ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyinikeza iproblem defense eKaizer Chiefs uSibanyoni playing alone kuleya center back yabo Miguel bano lo bano McCafe ngiyacabanga ukuthi wenze kahle kakhulu uSibanyoni Shane
iplayers njengoMayo bozini they were out due to injury they're coming back also uFrosla naye he was out due to injuries coming back and ngoku seqokumbele season You think mhlawumbe Kaizer Chiefs as players ndizigqibo zikhanganya zibuya ngexesha le-right for i-Kaizer Chiefs, also zibuya while i-team wina, i-confidence is so high. And also remember there's the World Cup coming up in 2 months time. You think mhlawumbe nayo it might be playing a pivotal role in those Kaizer Chiefs players, because nabo they haven't been included, the players the Kaizer Chiefs match kuBafana Bafana. You think mhlawumbe this is also an opportunity for them to prove to know, even though coach Hugo Broos angasibizi Bafana Bafana, but we deserve to be there. Players like Bradley Cross, Abu has been performing. You think mhlawumbe nabo le chance yokuthi coach Hugo Broos did announce ngobe answers kwade ukuthi he might make a couple of changes leading to a World Cup. You think mhlawumbe i-players eKaizer Chiefs nazo they are raising their hand ukuthi nathi siyafuna ubheka eAmerica ngoJune?
I think they came ngesikhathi esi-right chain. Iligi nginokukutshela ukuthi kunabadlali ababuya kuma-stand or ebenchini abafika badlale a crucial role emathimini. So not only for Kaizer Chiefs players abanga-raiser isandla from now going forward because i-World Cup ikhona, kulamaqembu nje akhona maningi abadlali engicabanga ukuthi bayasiphakamisa isandla manje because abazi ukuthi uba no coach ozomselector for i-World Cup ukuthi bahambe naye, because uma ungathi uyabheka maningi ama-changes azoba khona lapha kulesa squad sebafana bafana. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi baningi chain abadlali abaphakamisa isandla for now, but for Kaizer Chiefs labadlali abafana nabo Mayo nakwamanye ama-teams siyababona abadlali bafikile baphakamisa bathatha lawo ma-chances ucoach abanikeza bona bafuna ukwasebenzisa so that bakwazi ukuthi khumbula ukuthi nama-season kule season mayiphela kunama-contract abadlali aphelayo. The most of abadlali masifika kulesikhathi bayafuna ukuthi baphakamise sheni labe bangatholi i-chance bayayithola i-chance so that bakwazi ukuthi ekugcineni angireleasewa nami mhlawumbe kulo msebenzi engiwusebenzayo la ethimini kumele ukuthi i-team ingigcine because of ngenza kahle. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abomayo bafike ngesikhathi esi-right because mangabe bazonikeza lelo thuba bakwazi ukuscora i-team iwina sheni ngilento esicabanga ukuthi izoba right. Khumbula manje njengoba siqeda ukuyisho ukuthi Pirates is 10 point, to Mamelodi Sundowns is 11 point, even though balingana ne-Mamelodi Sundowns ngema game, one game ku-Orlando Pirates. They're still going to play Chiefs, i-Pirates ne-Sundowns. So kukubo ukuthi bayiwina igame ePolokwane babe ne-confidence when they go to FNB to play against Orlando Pirates. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi lama game ye-Chiefs ne-Sundowns ne-Chiefs ne-Pirates ayoba interesting because i-Chiefs nayo isana le hope yokuthi we can make it if singabitha number 1 no number 2. So Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-Chiefs iyenza kahle kakhulu so far 5 out of 5. Ama co-coaches we-Chiefs so far benza kahle, sibanikeza i-credit Shane uma ngabe benza kahle because mabangenzi kahle angeke sibayeke sizobanyathela Shane. Kunjalo vele ongayenzi kahle siyakhuluma but wenza kahle kumele sikhulume Shane.
Bosini, thank you so much Mhlabane for your analysis. Masama soqhubezela iBayern Munich neReal Madrid endlini. iKaizer Chiefs yona igqibo zibethele iMagesi at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium by 4-1. Kaizer Chiefs bobusini ikhona la ngoma sidla ngoculo abuyile. Do you agree?
Mina ngizolandela ngasemuva mangezwa utso ivoice iphezulu but ngizwa ngathi ndisela phansi ukutso ngathi hayi ivoice ayikho phezulu. Mina ngizwa amakhosi for live ngiyasho ukuthi abuyile but bakhona abashaya uvalo angazi ukuthi abobani njengoba iwina kanje bakhona bathukashi
abuyile bobusini abuyile bobusini. Kaizer Chiefs 4 Magesi 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.